Hey everyone, happy holidays. So, we're going to take a look at a holiday greeting that honestly feels like a message straight from the future of how we work. It looks pretty simple on the surface, but when you dig in, it raises some really fascinating questions. All right, here's the message in full. It says, on behalf of Bob Slavic and all his various artificial intelligence resources, systems, and personas, and then, wishes us the best for the holidays. It starts out totally normal, like any corporate card. But then you hit that line, artificial intelligence personas. And suddenly you realize, wait a second, this isn't just a card from a person. It's from a whole team, a team that includes AI. And that's what we've got to break down. This whole thing really boils down to one simple but actually pretty complex question. Who, or maybe what, is the we in this message? To figure that out, we have to start with the sender. To get to the bottom of we have to start with the one piece of the puzzle that we can easily wrap our heads around, the human cosigner. And that human anchor is right there in the first line, Bob Slavic. He's our starting point, right? The one member of this team that we know for sure is a person. Now, his title, Chief Technologist, and his company, Virtualization Options LLC. Those give us some huge clues. A top tech guy at a company focused on virtualization, that tells you he's working deep in the world of creating digital, non-physical stuff. This greeting isn't coming from, a bakery. It's coming from the absolute heart of the tech world. Okay, so we've got the human part sorted out. Now let's get to the really wild part, his AI colleagues. What's so interesting here is the language he uses. It's so specific. Bob doesn't just say, and my AI. No, he very deliberately breaks it down into resources, systems, and personas. Trust me, that choice of words is not an accident. Each one of those terms represents a totally distinct layer of his AI team, and getting that is the key to this whole thing. So what do those terms actually mean? Let's break down this AI team piece by piece so we can see how it all fits together. First up, AI resources. Okay, think of these as the absolute basic ingredients. We're talking raw data sets, the complex algorithms, the pure computing power you need to even get started. It's like the digital clay before it's been shaped into anything at all. Next, you have AI systems. This is where those resources, all that data and those algorithms are actually assembled and put to work. A system is the integrated machine, the whole framework that gets all the individual parts working in harmony to do complex jobs. So if resources are the ingredients, the system is kind of like the fully equipped kitchen, ready to start cooking. And finally, we get to AI personas. Now this, for me, is the most mind-blowing part. This is the output. It's the interface that we as humans actually interact with. A persona has a specific character, a voice, a personality. It's the friendly robot in a sci-fi movie or the helpful chatbot that pops up on a website. It's literally the face of the whole operation. This table just lays it all out so perfectly. You've got resources, that's your bricks and mortar. Those get built into systems, which is the factory. And that factory has a public-facing spokesperson. That's the persona. It's a complete production line from the most basic data all the way to a public identity. All right, so now that we've actually defined all the members of the team, the human, the bricks, the factory, and the spokesperson, let's circle back and read that original message again, but this time with our new understanding. And there they are, all together. See, the greeting isn't just from Bob Slavic. It's from a whole collaborative unit. The human lead, the AI foundation, the AI engine, and the AI voice. It's a proper team. So listen to it again now. On behalf of Bob Slavic and all his various artificial intelligence resources, systems, and personas, we'd all like to wish you. That little word we suddenly feels so much bigger, doesn't it? It's a true collective of human and artificial intelligence speaking as one. And this is the real takeaway. This isn't just some quirky holiday card. It's a declaration. It's a statement about a completely new way of working, where the line between the creator and the tool gets super blurry, and collaboration actually includes non-human partners as credited co-authors. And that leaves us with a really fascinating thought to chew on as we head into the new year. As our teams start to look more and more like this, with these complex AI systems, we're going to have to totally redefine what partnership and even authorship really mean. It makes you wonder, right? When your partners are algorithms, who actually signs the card? Something to think about. Thanks for joining me.